Uh-oh, I see some dirty hands. It's time to wash. Dirty hands, oh no. Time to make them nice and glow. After play and after snacks, germs are hiding front and back. Wash your hands. Scrub them nice and clean, front and back and in between. Now no germs are seen. Now no germs are seen. Turn the water, make it flow. Add some soap, now watch it go. Rub them fast and rub them slow. Count to 20, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on scrubbing more and more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make those bubbles nice and great. 9, 10, 11, 12. Clean hands make you feel so well. 13, 14, 15, 16. Scrub those fingers nice and clean. 17, 18, 19, 20. All done, now rinse. Let's go! Wash your hands. Scrub them nice and clean, front and back and in between. Now no germs are seen. Dry them off now, clap, 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 pat. Great job, team, you did that. Clean hands, shining bright and new. We're so proud of all of you.